Alright, so in today's video, I have something a little bit unexpected. Wayne Strickland at the speed shop was really nice. He offered to send me these 3 different sets of engine covers. This is the cam sprocket wheel cover, and these are the timing and flywheel covers. It's a product that he makes and he sells on his website, which I will link in the description. Basically, it's something that I had zero awareness that it was even a thing that you could change. I've only had my motorcycle since August, early August, and I kind of just thought that I would keep everything stock. I mean, I love the overall look of the monkey as is, and then I realized that, I mean, just using the motorcycle, that there were things that I would like to change, like the seat, which I'm really happy with so far, although I haven't actually driven around on it. I don't have my motorcycle license yet, so whenever I can go on a ride, I have to have somebody who's able to instruct me and ride the motorcycle to my riding spot, so I don't get in trouble. But for now, because it's so cold and it's already started to snow, I basically just kind of, I'm not able to ride for the next couple of months, so I figured I would just make changes and play with the motorcycle while I can in the barn. Yeah, so engine covers. It's something that I didn't even know you could change. Looking at the stock ones, it's like, okay, yeah, they're there and they're not bad. But then I was able to play with these engine covers, and it actually does make a big difference, and it's really fun. So I'm kind of excited to demonstrate how to put these on and what they look like on my black 2022, and see if you guys can help me kind of figure out what looks best. And I didn't kind of know what I like. May not be everyone's cup of tea. I didn't even know I would like what I liked in the end, but we'll play around some more and see how that goes. So stay tuned. So I figured I would show you what the covers look like outside of the box. So here's, oh, I should probably, there you go, you can see it. Nice, sturdy. It looks really good right here. So that's the sprocket cover, cam sprocket cover. And then we have the timer and flywheel cover. I hope I'm saying that right. They look like that. And here is the black one. And we have the silver one. My hands are so cold. It's cold outside. So here's the silver ones. So one of the really cool things is that Wayne is allowing me to share the joy of these engine covers with you guys. So if you like and subscribe to my channel, I will pick a random person, or 2, I don't know, to send the extras that I don't keep. And just a big thank you to Wayne. I had a lot of questions about how to even put these things on and what they do and what parts of the engine that they're actually covering. I still have a little bit of reading to do about the timing and the flywheel. I don't really know what those do. I kind of have the idea, but it's always interesting to find out more about how everything works. And while I can't ride, I figure I would do some research on how motorcycles work. And yeah, so that's always a good thing. And Wayne was super nice. He was showing me a bunch of videos about how to put everything on and make this whole process a lot less intimidating. I think for me that's one of the biggest joys of joining this little community, especially on the monkey forums on Facebook. I mean, just the whole idea of jumping into motorcycles and trying to figure everything out, but everybody has just been amazingly helpful, super kind, very supportive, and it makes it really easy to actually engage in this really interesting hobby and really kind of a lifestyle. And I can't say that I completely understood what motorcycles really mean to people and what they allow them to do. It's something that's always appealed to me, but once you actually get on the motorcycle, it's a whole other experience, and I think I'm starting to kind of understand what that's all about, and it's really exciting. So thank you, Wayne, and I hope this video will do your product justice. So alrighty, so I'm going to take the can cover off. I have this box here because I have barn wood floors, and I'm scared that the little bolts or screws are going to fall in there and I'll never be able to get them back out, so I don't want to do that. This one. Oh, my hands are so cold. So that comes off. And then I guess these were already and then a nice little tip that Wayne gave me, because I was having trouble taking this off, was to use this little screwdriver. Oh, pop it right off. So there's an O-ring that he reminded me to take off. I don't know if you can. Which direction? So there's a little rubber ring, so I need to take that off. I just use this little. Oops. I was just peeling this off. You can see it comes off. It's got a little bit of oil on it. So put that on the new one. So I don't know if you can see it. It's black. That's on there. So Wayne told me not to tighten these too much. I hope I'm using the right tool to do that, because I don't want to screw anything up. Should have brought gloves. Oh, my hands are cold. I can't even feel my thumb anymore. There's the O-ring there. There's a little bag. So that looks pretty cool. I like that. So here's the silver one. I'm just putting on this last one. Those look really nice too. Putting those on there so you guys can see. I didn't think I would like red so much, but I do. I think it kind of pops with the red that's already there. But I kind of like black and red, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. It's kind of what I want to go with, but I'll wait until you guys tell me what you guys think. Actually, maybe I'm dumb. Maybe that looks stupid. I don't know. All red or all black, I think, is what I'm leaning at. I should probably just go with... I don't know. I'm gonna put up pictures. I took a whole bunch of pictures of pretty much every variation I could think of. There's actually a ton more that you could do, but I'm pretty sure no one's gonna do them because it looks kind of crazy. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will decide. Alrighty, so we're all wrapped up on that. Let me know what you guys liked. I'm leaning towards all black or all red. The nice thing is if you can't make up your mind, you can always buy more of the covers on Wayne's shop at thespeedshop.com. There will be a link to his shop in the description. And again, thank you to Wayne for sending me his covers and allowing me to experiment, and for answering all those crazy questions that I had, being really patient and enthusiastic about sharing this stuff with me. Yeah, so like and subscribe, and you guys can win the covers. Yeah, so thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video.